Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Another green day today. Things are looking good. If you've never watched the show before, my name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every day. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, my real trades, all of my money on view in front of you. I use a Robinhood account as a bank. Very excited because Robinhood is coming to the UK imminently. We're just waiting for it to happen any time now. And I started from $5,000 2.5 years ago. And here we are as our full balance now. You can see, combined with the Roth IRA, I only put $4 a week in till a couple of weeks ago. Now I put $20 a week in, slowly increasing as I grow my YouTube channel, earn more money. I can put more in. This is my entire income. This is how I've made my money. This is what I'm doing. I have no other money coming in. And anyway, a good day today. We're in the green. We like the green color. Fantastic. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Now, it is Friday phone in. Every Friday, our members can phone into the show. It's a live phone in, members only. If you'd like to be on the show, it's completely up to you. You can call in and be part of it. You need to be a member, though. The reason why is because we don't want clowns and fools and people trying to spam the channel. There is the link to become a member, and when you support the show by being a member, I give you back 20 times. There's many things that I do to give back 20 times. That's why 95% of our live viewers are actually members. Okay, wonderful to see everybody here. Looking good today. How are you, Bill? Fabinucci Blue, lovely to have you here. Welcome. All right, let's have a look. We are looking at Virgin Galactic again. I traded it for the second time last night. Took a profit again. Keep making 4 or 5% on it. Very nice indeed, while holding my main position. Fabinucci Blue has just put it's music night. It is indeed. Every Friday is music night. So tonight we'll be having our music. And I can give you, the link is already on the homepage of my music channel. There it is. If you look below, there is tonight's upcoming live stream. That's tonight. Just go on the homepage of the channel where you are now. Click Martyn Lucas on the top, like Martyn Lucas Investor is on Martyn Lucas. Makes sense, right? And the upcoming live stream is just there. Okay, you can find it just there. All right, brilliant, fantastic. That's tonight. Now then, we do have. I want to thank everyone. If you didn't watch it yesterday, my United States anthem's out now, doing pretty well. Starting off pretty good, actually. Slow at the moment, but the first hour was amazing. I had a record number, Mike. I think it was 40 views within the first hour, something like that. I think it was 27 or something like that, wasn't it? In the live, which is a record for us. Fantastic. Now we do have a special event happening at the end of today's show. It's my Eric Clapton. I've been working on the Eric Clapton thing special. He's on tour again. And here's my Eric Clapton coming up tonight. Links in the chat. Straight at the end of the show, we have Wonderful Tonight, straight into Tears in Heaven. Unplugged, Eric Clapton back on tour. That happens straight at the end of today's show. Okay, hopefully you'll join me for that. Then tonight, of course, it's music night. Fabinucci Blue, welcome. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Octavio. I won't be able to call in today. Sorry to do a job today. We'll listen in though. Okay, Mike, you'll be missed, sadly missed. But thanks for letting me know. All right. Morning all. Nonny. Nice. Sensei Crypto. Yes, it was a record for our live premiere, which was great. And we're up to 80 straight on the first, within the first, less than the first 24 hours. So we're moving. And give it a few weeks. Hopefully it'll start to take off. I'm excited about it. All right. Thank you very much, everybody. Welcome. If you just tuned in, click subscribe, ring the bell. And if you ring the bell, you'll be notified when I go live. Tap the like button. Helps the show every morning. All right. Okay. Let's have a quick look in the breakfast bar in the in Discord. See what we have this morning. live phone-in today from our members. We have Sensei still on holiday, having a wonderful time. I played you that video yesterday. Mike looks great. Have fun. And there's Mike with his coffee anniversary mug. That's the second anniversary mug he's got there. He's got the first year and the second year. Fantastic. And his special coin. All right. Thank you very much for dropping your messages into the Breakfast Lounge every morning. 804 now on our server. If we get a bit more engagement, we'll be able to give you a public channel. So what I ask everyone to do is to go into the breakfast bar, say hello every morning, leave a few comments, whatever. And we only need a bit more and we'll be a public channel and it will really start to grow. All right, we've got the numbers. We only need 500, but we don't have enough engagement rate just yet. Understandably, most people are engaged on YouTube, but there you go. All right. Afternoon all from Southampton. Malk, hello. Zach, good morning to you. Wonderful. Have a look at Exxon, please, says Sensei. Also, where you live when oil crashed to zero. Also, where you live when oil crashed to zero. I bought some of this stock then. Also, where you live when oil crashed to zero. I bought some of this stock then. Sorry, I don't understand the comment there. Martin, today is my grandson, Ursa Garcia, 10th birthday. Well, Octavio, of course, we can do happy birthday for you because as a member, you can donate it to a member of the family on the day before, the day after, or the day of. Would you like me to celebrate your grandson's birthday in the morning show or in the closing bell this afternoon or this afternoon? What would you like? The opening bell or the closing bell this afternoon? You want to get all your family to watch, get everybody on their phones, get everybody so they can all chat, because as we do the birthday, you will get to keep the video forever, and you want everyone in the chat scrolling up so you can all be in the chat, because you can keep the video forever and you can download it and share it again for the rest of your lives. And as we make the video for you, you want to have all your family and friends in the chat so we can see them. So they all need to be on YouTube on their own devices. In the morning, okay, brilliant. Sensei said, read it again. Have a look at XOM, please. Also, were you live when oil crashed to zero? Were you live when oil crashed to zero? I don't know what that means. Were you live when oil crashed to zero? I don't know. I'm sorry, Sensei, I don't understand the question. Ravel, good morning, Ravel. Hi, Martin from Russia. Nicola, hello. How are you? Please read again. You misread. I just read it again. I don't understand it. Have a look at XOM, please. Okay, I'll look at XOM. I get that part. May 20. I mean, you need to just say more than just May. I don't understand. You got to understand. You're writing something, and I'm just reading it, and I'm just reading May 2020. Was I? No, my show started. When did my show start? Let's have a look. When did my show start? About. If you go to the About section of my channel, it tells you I started on the 27th of June. That's our anniversary. So I started on the 27th of June, 21. So I wasn't live in 2020, no. I wasn't live in 2020, no. Was I alive? Most certainly alive. At least I hope so. Otherwise, I'm only 3 years old. Anyway, XOM, Exxon Mobil. Okay. I remember when we had negative prices in oil. That doesn't mean the stock price went to zero. The stock price was still 22. Hang on, it was 2020 he's talking about. 2020, yeah. It went down to $34. Mobil, yeah, it would have been good if you'd bought Exxon at $34, wouldn't it, back then? But yeah, it never went to zero. The oil price went to zero, but the stock price didn't. Right, we're looking at Virgin Galactic to buy it under 2 again. Scam alert. I just got a couple of people coming in. This is the sort of thing that we get on Discord. I don't know why they do this. I don't know why they do it, because they come in and they put the @ sign everyone, except it doesn't work for them. It only works for me. I don't know why they do it, but as soon as I see them, I just come on in and I ban them. It's always spreading false information, and they completely waste their time, because after they've done it, they can never appear on any Discord channel again. So it seems a bit silly, really. Don't know why you do it. Anyway, let's get rid of you. All right, that's you taken care of. Why do people waste their time? Okay. Get rid of them over here as well. Ban. And then I delete all the posts from the 7 days, so you don't exist anywhere. Okay. There you go. Taking care of that. There you go. Gone. Bye-bye. Why do people do that? Right. What's the point? Okay, so Ezra Garcia. Okay, 10-year-old. Okay. Live on the channel, I think he is saying. Was I live on the channel? No, I didn't start until 21. Big event. Do you not remember? Yes, I remember when the price of oil, and then they were paying people to take oil. It went negative. I remember that. And but the stock price went down, but it didn't go to zero. I do remember seeing it on the news, yeah. Giving you more trouble again, Martin. Yeah. Good morning from New York, Paris 22. You're going to buy space to go. You're going to buy space to go up or down. I only buy it to go up because I don't short the stock. How many times? I never short stocks, never do options, never do contracts. I'm holding my main position, 1,600 shares over here, right? I'm adding when it goes down with the profits I make from the Roth. The Roth I trade for free, tax-free. I keep buying it because anywhere around 2 is the value of the company. Under 2, it's undervalued. So because I want to own the company, of course I'm going to buy it, but I don't want to over allocate myself, and I always want to make money from it. So what I do is I buy it. I've got it on my main account, and I keep adding averages, and I'll trim it off as it goes up to keep it within my 4,000, which is what I want to get up to. I had 2,000 yesterday, and I sold it twice. I made about 4% each time on my Roth position. Tax-free, don't pay any penalties, do it as many times as I want, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to do it again today. I've currently got about $344 at the moment to spend on my Roth. There's nothing else I want to sell to make more money from somewhere else. And I want to buy it under 199 ideally, and make 4 or 5% from it, and just keep doing it over and over again. I've been buying CRC. Octavio Garcia, what time do you want to gather the family? Octavio, what time do you want today? I can do it for you in the next 15 minutes. If that would suit you on the hour, would that be good time to get all the family together? Or would you like to have it just before we do the Friday phone-in, which is on the next hour, 9 a.m. Central, which I don't know what time that is where you are, but an hour and 15. So you can either have it 15 minutes from now or an hour from now. Okay? All right. Oh, Canopy. Sorry. Yeah. I'm a bit tired unless I release Tilray profits. I'm a bit tied up unless I release profits. Tilray is also up. Let's have a look at Tilray right now. Yep. So 5% today. Very nice. Good afternoon, James 007. As long as we stocks are high, I'm happy. Buying, have no choice, have to cost average down, waiting for the Fed to speak for guidance. Yep, on September the 20th, we'll be live on Wednesday with the FOMC report. We'll be there live. Hello, are we rich with Virgin already? Yeah, we're making money on it every day. Yeah, we're green. Absolutely right. We're looking at trying to buy it on the way back down again, though. We're waiting for that moment to come. If it comes, if it doesn't, I'm already in it. Doesn't really matter. When you can buy a stock for value or undervalue, you can buy it to trim it and to scalp trade it. I've already got my long-term position. I'm low on my averages. 15 minutes sound really good. Okay, Octavio. So what you need to do in 15 minutes then, so let me put the clock up. All right. That's not that one, not that one, not that one. Let me change that one. Okay. Here we go. 15. Okay. There you go. When that clock reaches 0, we will do Ezra Garcia 10-year-old birthday. So what you've got to do now is do this. You go over here to the video where we are right now, and you click under here, share. Tell all your family and all your friends, send them the link here. Send them the link. You can put it on Facebook. You can copy this link and put it in a text. You can put it on all these different places, whatever. But you can copy this here and text it and email it and send it out. Tell all the family to be on the show in 15 minutes. And they need to be logged in on YouTube on their own devices. The reason for that is when we go to the birthday, all right, when we go to the birthday in 14 minutes and 4 seconds from now, when we go to the birthday, everybody wants to be in the chat. So Ezra, in the future, will have this video that they can keep forever, the day they were on the show and they had a happy birthday, and everybody in the family will be scrolling through in the live chat saying happy birthday, because we'll record that on the screen. You will see it. So when that clock reaches 0, we'll do Ezra's birthday as a member. It's one of the perks that you get as a member. But make sure all the family are in, ready to join in. Otherwise, they'll miss the opportunity, all right? Okay, understand? Make all good? All right. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Say hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, Martin. Let's make some money today. Stuart Kitcher, yes. Thank you for all you do for all of us. Martin, my absolute pleasure, mate. It's my greatest pleasure, to be honest. Anyway, so when it drops, I'll buy it. Okay. Now then, ExxonMobil, the S&P, going down. I trimmed it all off. Pretty much sold all my S&P for now. Okay, we're in the green. We're beating the market, which is what it's all about. The S&P is going down. Virgin Galactic, anything under 2, I shall buy it all over again. Palantir, ARM. Watching ARM. It's up today, but dropped off. We're looking at buying some ARM today as soon as it starts to fall. I know some of you already bought it. Now, I put out our first introductory videos on ARM last night. if you've seen it. If you've not already seen it, there's our first introductory videos on ARM. IPO day. Here comes the AI robot. And then an update here from the people that I wish to make friends with, if you like. So I'm trying to make friends. It's a British company as well, which is nice. Trying to make some friends with the people in ARM. And these are our first 2 videos out. I'm looking at it, but I'm not buying it just yet. Okay. Virgin Galactic's now at 202. Palantir. ARM. Gold up today. Mullen. Slowly going back up. It's been having a bit of a week. As you can see. It's up 40% in a week. But again, not really anything to shout about at the moment. I'm down like 90% on it, so it doesn't really make a difference. Now, you might say, well, why aren't you buying it? I can't buy this rubbish stock. I just want to get my money out, that's all. No intention of buying it anymore. Do I think Tilray is a good investment? Yes, at the right time. It needs to redirect back into its cannabis sector, though. I think it's lost direction at the moment, though. Fibonacci Blue, I don't think it knows what it's doing. He lost 40 on a random cannabis fall. He just lost $40 on a random cannabis fall, though. Yeah, if you're going to buy a cannabis stock, it's Tilray. However, this stock is extremely volatile. It doesn't know where it is. It used to be, well, it still is the number 1 cannabis company. However, it's I've gone through it before. All the situation with the buying all the breweries that actually were good headlines. It drove the stock up. But actually, I've looked at the breweries and they're all failed. Most of them are failed breweries, not that good. But anyway, it just, for some reason, it's one of those stocks that trends on the slightest news. I'm not saying it's like a Mullen, because it isn't, because Mullen's junk. But Tilray's a good business. It's just trending all over the place. And I'm not really into it right now. I'm out of it. I took my profits a couple of times. But anyway. Good morning, the Queen of Self-Braiding. We've got a birthday in 9 minutes. Ezra Garcia, 10 years old in 9 minutes. Today, market might move up and down today, being a quadruple day. A lot of major options expire. Nonny, thank you very much indeed for that information. Nonny's one of our members. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Don't forget, if you don't renew your membership within a month, you will lose your history. And you don't want to do that because I think you're a gold badge member, right? Anyway, make sure that you don't lose that. Otherwise, it'll go back to 0 after, I think it's 30 days. Anyway, come on, Martin. It says also aspired to be a weed beer company. Yes, I agree, but not at the balance and the scale it is now. It's like cannabis is a sideline, and as I said before, there are better brewery businesses to buy. If I want to buy a brewery business or a drinks business, I buy Coca-Cola for a start. I mean, I'm not saying comparing that. There are other brewery businesses, of course, but I bought it on the business model of it being the number 1 cannabis sector. And that's why I always buy certain stocks. When they are the number 1 in their field, I look at them. But anyway, just 8 minutes to go for our special birthday. Very excited about that. Ezra, 10 years old. Are you ready for the wedding summer next year? Are you ready? What exactly is that your wedding, right? £60 super chat. You're going to book me for your wedding for 60 quid? You'll be bloody lucky. Are you ready for the wedding summer next year? Talking about weddings. I'm getting asked to do a lot of stuff now. Stuff from people I can't even tell you who they are. It's really like frustrating. I hope I can at some point. I was asked by a well-known celebrity to record the Eric Clapton, which comes out today, We recorded it last night, a couple of nights ago. Do you remember? Some of you were there. And Eric Clapton is on tour right now. He's in Canada at the moment. And these come out today. And I've also, after that went out, I was contacted and asked to record John Legend, All of Me, because today he's renewing his vows. I got told today. So after my show today, I shall be going live and recording All of Me by John Legend for John Legend's renewing of his vows. How very exciting. It's really cool. People are starting to message me and ask me to do things. And it's really quite exciting the way my music is taking off. So I'm excited about that. So what is it you need from me, Sensei, for your wedding? I can be there live at the wedding on a big screen. Feel better, Queen. $60, £60 super chat. Oh no, Queen. Queen is celebrating. Get well soon. Oh no, what? The Queen's not well? Did I miss that? Hang on a minute. Hang on. I was in a bad car wreck. I am healing steadily. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't know about this. The Queen has recently got a new phone number, and I'm very confused because it doesn't take much to get me confused. I wasn't getting text or something, she said, for the longest time. I don't know. And then I got another text from a different number. Didn't know who it was, because if it's not anybody I know, I don't answer it. I get lots of, because my number is available to everybody. If it's someone I don't know, I just don't answer it. I have to know who you are if I'm going to accept your messages and calls, and it's a new number. But I've just found out, Martin, I sent you a text message. What, today? Let me have a look. I haven't got a text today. No. You text on the right number. I haven't got a text from you on my phone. I'm just looking at it now. Anyway, no, I would have responded. If you'd sent me a text, Queen, saying you're in a car accident, my God, I'd have called you back, let alone text you. Right, you know what we're going to do, folks. Love to Queen, love to the Queen. Come on, everybody, blow it up. One of our moderators, one of our members, been here the longest time. The week I had an accident, Queen. I don't have the text. Love to the Queen. Get well soon. I want everybody to copy and paste, please. Serious. No messing around. Okay, let's send some. There we go. Do that there. Right. Copy and paste. Every single person. If you don't do it, you're a miserable sod. And I'm telling you right now, you're a miserable sod. Right? Let's have a viral moment. Here we go. I'm joining in now. One of our members is involved in a car accident, and we can't have that. We can't have that. Oh, I just realised if you copy and paste, it doesn't put the emoji in. Ooh, you got to do it manually. Boo! I didn't realise that. Okay, now I'm learning. Okay, everybody. Is everyone doing it? Thank you very much. Are you ready for the wedding of the year? Wedding summer. I've just done the wedding of the year. I just done the wedding of the year. Are you the wedding of the year? Look, I did the wedding of the year the other day for a very well-known actress. Yes, look, wedding of the year. See, there's the wedding of the year. That ain't you, Sensei. That's Kristen Chenoweth, married to Josh Bryant in Dallas. That was the wedding of the year. I love it. So now Sensei is going to be the wedding of the year 2024. That's if he can, secure me. Because without me, I mean, if you have a wedding and you don't have me, you don't really have a wedding. I mean, that's how it is. That's how these things go now. People often say, if Martyn Lucas hasn't done a video for you, or sung at your wedding, or done your halftime football show with the national anthem, you've not had an event. That's going to be said in a few years. You mark my words. You mark my words. All right? You mark my words. Feel better, Queen. There we go. Get well, Queen. I love it. There you go. Yeah, Mike, so bad. My car, total loss. Starting afresh. Oh, man. I feel bad now saying you need to renew your membership. She just lost a car. She's in a right state. Oh my gosh. Can someone do a can someone donate some membership so the Queen can get a membership back? Because it looks like everybody in the chat is a member other than Queen. So if someone does, I don't know, a couple of memberships, donates it, the Queen's going to get one for free. I can't do it. He won't let me do it. Actually, can I do it? No, I don't think I can do it. Anyway, yeah, I don't think I can do memberships. I don't know. I hope you're getting paid well for it, Martin. I can't discuss these private things. No screen. Need you in person. Oh my God. Need me in person. Martin, I sent you a text message. I missed it. Get better, Queen. Get better, get better, get better. Anyone has liquidity? Yes, I do. Always liquid. I'm so sorry to hear this. Could you do a quick fundamental market review? Chinese economy, retail sales, Europe looking bullish today, CPI down 5.4%, US highly mixed with imports. Can you do a quick fundamental market review? Jordan Allen. Well, we're just about to do a birthday in a couple of seconds. Let me just end the clock right now. We've got a birthday for one of our members coming up, so I haven't got time right now. Get well soon, Queen. Get well, Queen. Let me end the clock. Here it is. We're going to do it now. MSK, get well, get well, get well, get well, Queen. Love to the Queen. Look at that. I love it. Thank you ever so much. John Brown, the Queen passed away. No, we don't. We don't mean Queen Elizabeth II. We mean the Queen of self-braiding. We mean the Queen of self-braiding. I love it. Trust me, I'm going all out. Will be the wedding of the year. Blimey hell. Well, why do people spend so much money on weddings? Don't say that, Mike. Sensei needs to spend money. Don't tell him that. He's going to hire me for $10 million. Mike, shush. Shush. Let Sensei do what he wants. If he wants to hire me and fly my whole entourage to the wedding, you be shush. You keep out of it. You keep out of it. All right? Anyway. We are all invited. Love to go. Get well soon. Octavio, are you ready? Just got my first dividend from Apple. Jose, it's great feeling, right? It's a bit of money, but all adds up. Love to you. Get well soon, sister. There you go. Right. It's now time for Ursa Garcia. Octavio, are you ready? Have you got all your family and friends? Has everybody logged into YouTube so they can be in the chat for the birthday? So here we go. Let's turn on the smoke. The smoke is now on. Let's turn on the birthdays. Here come the birthdays. There's the birthdays. Ready? Let's go to the back of the studio. We're now at the back of the studio. Let me get rid of... There we go. That's that sorted out. Let me change it to pink. There we go. Right, we're in business. It's time for Ursa Garcia's 10th birthday. Now, what we want is everybody in the chat, like we did for the Queen of Self-Braiding. I want everybody copying and pasting. So we got happy birthdays rolling down the screen. Are you ready? You ready? It's important. Okay. You ready? We're going to go back to the studio for happy birthday and then back to the show. There you go. We're all set. right? I want all of the happy birthdays rolling through. This is especially for Ezra Garcia, who's 10 years, 10 years old today. Here we go. Everybody, come on, get involved. Let me put this screen here. I want everybody involved. So I'm going to make that full screen, make it look really good. Now, and Octavio, you are able to download this. I will, under the video is a clip, a little clip button. Just under the video is a little pair of scissors, a little clip, and you can clip it and share it on your social media forever. All right, here we go. Ezra, 10 years old. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Special birthday time. If you're a member of the channel, this is one of your perks. One of your perks and bonuses. Right. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're all set. Okay, here comes the birthday. All right, fantastic. All right. Okay, you ready? Everybody set? Probably prefers the baseball cap. Okay, so Ezra Garcia, it's your birthday today, and Octavio told me all about it. Told me that it's your birthday, you're 10 years old, and we're now going to make you famous. Now, if you tell all your family, just under this video, there's a little pair of scissors. It looks like that, all right? It's called the clip button. Clip it, and you can share it with all your friends, put it on your Facebook, your social media, text it to all your mates, and you'll be famous, and you will own this part of the video for your happy birthday, and you'll have it forever. And what you got now in the chat, just over here, are people from all around the world in 40 different countries saying happy birthday to you. So you are now the most famous 50-year-old, the most famous 10-year-old in the world. Are you ready? Here is your happy birthday song. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Ezra Garcia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, Ezra. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. All right, one more time. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 na, to you. Happy birthday, oh Ezra. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ezra. That was especially for you on your 10th birthday. Make sure you go below the video, clip it and save it for life. You can now download and own this video forever. Share it with all your friends. Just clip the section and share it. Happy birthday with you from all of us here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Happy birthday. There we go. Fantastic. Thanks, guys, for all tuning in. That was good. If you'll remember, of course, you can have a happy birthday just like this as well. All right. Let me get back over to the main part of the studio. I like doing those. They're always a lot of fun. I like it. All right. Just sorting the lights out. Hang on a minute. What's going on here? What have I done? Let me reset this a minute. Just resetting my lighting. Okay. I thought I broke it for a minute, but I haven't. It's all good. 15 minutes ago before the bell goes. Okay, let me take off this a minute. Okay. There we go. All done. I enjoyed that. So what I was talking to you about, Octavio, was the clip button is just underneath the video. I have to refresh it to show you. There you go. There's the clip button. See it there? The pair of scissors. It says clip. And if you click the clip button, you can save that part of the show, and then you can put that out, and then you can have that link. You have that video, and you can share that part of the video. It just does that little bit from where you want and to wherever. And all right, that's how you do it. Okay. So if you are a member of our channel, you can have that that perk and benefit as well. All right. Okay, back to the show. Hope you all enjoyed that. Let me change my screen to my charts. There we go. Now then. Still green. The S&P. I've trimmed it all off. I don't have any more S&P right now. Trimmed it all off. Virgin Galactic holding at 203. Waiting for a drop. See if I can buy again. Now, it doesn't matter. Someone said to me yesterday, well, if you sell it, don't you feel like, what if it goes up? That doesn't matter. That's why I own 1,600 shares. I know it's going to go up. That's the point. 35% down. I keep buying the dips on the way down. But in my other account, where I don't pay any tax to trade, I buy in and out and make 5% every time. So even though it says here, I am down 35%, I've made lots of other 5% in profit on the other account. So actually, that's not as bad as it looks. And that's the point of it. Now, if it shoots up today after I just sold it, that doesn't matter. I've still got my main position. I'm not going anywhere. All right? Anyway, let me make sure I've got all the comments. Happy birthday, Ezra, Octavio. Happy birthday from Africa. I love it. Stephen Lewandowski, James. Happy birthday from Germany. Stuart, happy birthday. Fabinici Blue, loved it. Happy birthday. Look at all these. Happy birthday from the UK. Happy birthday from Uganda. Jose, happy birthday. Hip hip hooray. Thanks everyone for your wishes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ezra. Happy birthday, Hamster. What a guy, says Stuart Kitchener. Click the clip, says that 5 times fast. Clip the clip, clip the clip, clip the clip, clip the clip, clip the clip. No problem at all for me. Look, see, I'm professional. Watching Space Today, always. Okay. Palantir. ARM. Went back down. Now coming back up again. Not buying it yet. Gold. Mullen. Amazon. Apple. Could I do a quick fundamental market overview? Chinese economy. Okay. Let's have a little look. We've got... I've got this available for you. Have a look at the overall markets. Let's have a little look. This is what we're seeing around the world. This is a request of Jordan Allen, who is one of my members. Wait, can you have multiple accounts, both a margin and a cash account active? No, you can't. You can't have a cash account and a margin account. You're either cash or margin. What you can have is a brokerage account and a Roth account, and I have both. And anyone can have both. It's not special or anything like that. So yes, Michael. Here is my Robinhood referral link. Make sure that you use it because you earn free stock. We both get free stock. This is what it looks like. Look, let me share with you on the screen. Invite a friend, get $5 to $200, and so do you. I've had people on my show. One person win a what do you call it? A Apple stock. All right. So share the link. Anyone in the US, it will soon be in the UK. Coming up soon. Copy the link. Do it live on the show, and then you can tell me what you won, and I can tell you what I won as well. We can share it. There you go. There, the link's in the chat. Give it to you twice so you can see it. There you go. All right. Very, very good. Right. You have a new subscriber. Who's that then? I missed a subscriber. Did I miss one? ARM really looks like a pump and dump. Sad. I'm absolutely not going to jump on the bandwagon with ARM. I explained why in the video I put out. I'm not going to buy it just yet. We shall see what happens, though. It's very early days. There's no information on it. Not enough, anyway, to see where it's going. Right, I was asked, what have I got? I've got 10 minutes. Here's the markets around the world. We can see what's going on. The Chinese market, this was for Jordan. Of course, what happens in China affects the rest of the world. It is a concern. But I, first of all, don't invest in Chinese stocks. But we are because the manipulation, I don't like it. But mind you, we have manipulation everywhere else. Will do, Martin, when Hood is in the UK. Fantastic. I will send you the link as soon as it's available. All right. As soon as it's available, I will give it on day one. Right, so these are the markets. I've put them in order that they come out. New Zealand opened and closed up today, up 0.3. Australia is now closed, and they are up today. They closed up 1.29. Then we had Japan, the Nikkei, that closed up 0.75. The Hang Seng, Hong Kong, they closed 0.75. Then we come into Europe, which is still open, and the DAX is up 0.75. It hasn't closed yet. The FTSE in the UK, they are in the middle of their session, and they are up 0.64. And of course, the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, and the New York Stock Exchange and SPY, what I follow, they haven't opened yet for the main action on the bell. So, but you can see it's looking like a potential good green day today all across the world, which is looking nice. I do think the Fed are going to pause. So I'm optimistic. However, we've had a massive rally on the S&P. I've had 10% this year so far. So I've sold my S&P. I've got one share left. I've trimmed it back. I've bought I bought Tesla with it. I bought Rocket Labs with it. I bought Amazon with it and Apple with it, and they're all up for like 40% on my Amazon. That's what I'm doing, right? Anyway, hope that's a little bit of a help to you. iPhone pre-order starts today. Apple may start to pump. iPhone 15. I'm not buying a new iPhone 15. I've got an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Don't see any point. I only bought that one because it dropped into the pool. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought that one either. Right, let's have a look. Where are we? We've got 9 minutes to go. I am beating the market again. Warren Buffett, S&P, me, better than Warren Buffett. I am beating him today, which is good. And I'm also beating Warren Buffett by a long way on my Roth IRA today. That's looking good. My overall balance is 53.6. Started from $5,000 2.5 years ago. I only put $4 a week until 3 weeks ago. Now it's $20 a week. So I'm increasing it all the time, but I hope to be at $200,000 by the end of next year. That is the plan. That's why I sit here every day, to help and support and grow my portfolio and do all the good things. All right. Could be another green day. Yeah. Right. We've also, in 40 minutes, got the live phone-in. Friday is live phone-in, and we're excited today because we've had the opportunity to buy Virgin Galactic undervalue for the first time. We've been buying it. I've been making money on it. So we can talk about that. I hope Zach Zake calls in, one of my biggest Virgin Galactic investors, Stephen Lewandowski as well. It's open to all members. If you want to call in, you need to be a member. Every Friday, it's the Friday phone-in. The Friday phone-in, you can be on the show. It is members only, so we don't have clowns and buffoons calling in. We don't want anyone promoting stock or talking rubbish. So members only, so we can verify you. Would you recommend Robinhood Gold? Yes, I use it. I am Robinhood Gold. You can see on my account that I am Robinhood Gold. Just for the fact that I earn 4.9% on APY. I have other perks and benefits. For me, it is worth it. Absolutely. I use it. I recommend it. Michael. Yes. And remember, I'm not sponsored or promoted by Robinhood whatsoever. But I do know the ins and outs of it as I live on it every single day. All right, then. The names of the crew members are yet to be released, but as per our research, Namira Salam from Pakistan will be on board. Zach Zay, thank you for that. Mr. Lucas, if Tilray hits $40, I will super chat you an iPhone 15. Liam Laffey, he's having some fun. I love it. If space breaks 206, we will see a 230 rally. Would you recommend Robinhood Gold? Yes, I do. I think it's very useful for me. Now, my wife, Leah, she has Robinhood. I don't recommend Robinhood Gold for her. Why? She only has $500 in her portfolio. Right? She's not active. She's not doing anything. She's not investing. She's not using uninvested cash. She's not doing stock lending. She's not looking at level 2. She's not using the Roth. She's not getting the cash back. So for her, it's not worth it. For me or an active user, then it most certainly is. Where did I live? I still live in Cornwall, in Truro. I still live there. Yeah, I have my house there and still live there. Absolutely. My studio is just here in Texas, but my home is in Cornwall. Right. Okay. We've got 5 minutes to go. So what we need to do is get busy. Let's see if today, like it's becoming a regular thing now, that we can get 75% on the likes. Now, what I mean by that is we get 99%, 99.5 100% up like and 0.5 down like, right? Which is really good. But what we try to get, and what's hard to get, is 100% engagement on the likes. 61 watching, so 50% would be 30. So let's get, we need 40 likes to get 70%. Oh, here we go. We've got the stocks going down. Tap the like button. Virgin Galactic is holding. I want to buy it under 2. Let's see if we can get 64 watching. We got 5 minutes to go. Let's see if we can get 40 likes. Tap the like button, folks. Now, the reason why I ask you to do this, if you tap the like button every day, it will continue to show you my content. It will continue to show you my content. If you don't like my content, and that's absolutely fine, please click the down like, then it won't show you me anymore. Why would I tell you that? Because if you don't like the content, I don't want you to watch, right? Because then you want to watch something else that will make you, have a good day. I don't want to be in your face if you don't want to watch me. Just click the down like. And the benefit to you is you will get to see what you want, and we get a more engaged audience, and everyone gets involved. We grow. We have a better time. You have a better time because you see what you want, and everybody wins. So do something. Don't just sit there. We've got 66. So we need 40 for 70% or 30 for around about the 50, which is usual. But we try to beat it if we can. Thank you ever so much. 28. It's going up slowly. Thank you ever so much indeed, everyone who took part in that. Really do appreciate it. Is your home? No, it's my house. It's where I live. Jordan Allen. Okay. We've got 3 minutes to go. The S&P going down. I've trimmed it all off. Only got one left. I'm up 10.75%. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting for a drop. I'm not going to set a limit order. I want to see which way it goes. I don't have to buy it. But we'll see how it drops on the bell in 2 minutes' time. I'm holding my main position. Oh, it's moving up. 204. Very nice. I'm still up. Looking good. There's my overall position. 2 minutes to go. My Roth IRA is up. My main account has just turned red. Okay, let's go red. We're just turning red for the moment. The Roth IRA is looking good. That's Tesla. But the rest is going down. Virgin Galactic is going up today, which is very encouraging for my main account. I'm holding all of that. The daily and weekly chart on AMC looks good. I wouldn't touch AMC. Waste of time. For me, James, not a good stock to own. Good morning, everyone. A little late to the party today. Has rescued a red-shouldered hawk this morning. Lovely. Thank you for doing that. That's a wonderful thing. We just had a birthday for a 10-year-old. It was Octavio Garcia's grandson was 10 years old today, Ezra. And we just celebrated the birthday live on the show. Okay, here we go. Now then. We've got our special phone in half an hour. Here comes the bell. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go. And in 1 hour from now, it's my very special, asked by a well-known celebrity who I'm not allowed to name, which is so annoying, Eric Clapton. Eric Clapton premiere. There it is. The link's in the chat. There it is. Join me for the world premiere of Wonderful Tonight, which will go straight into Tears in Heaven. Hopefully you can join me for this special event with Eric Clapton on the screen. You see that there, look? That's happening in an hour from now. Click on the link and join me for that. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. Okay, you two can sponsor the bell for $10 super chat. And let's go to the races. Here we go. Who's going to win today? Martyn Lucas Investor. I am in the red, and Warren Buffett is in the blue. And I'm just literally neck and neck right now. Here we go. The S&P is going down. I've trimmed off the top. Virgin Galactic. Okay, here we go. We can start buying up now. Virgin Galactic. Let's have a quick look. And SPCE and trade and buy and here we go. Set a limit order. Yes. Okay. I'm going to go for $2. $2. Continue. Market hours. Yes. 3 p.m. This is what I'm doing over on my position here, and I will buy at $2. I'll buy 100. No, I will buy 150. I will buy 160. And buy 160. 344. 344. Yep, 160. No, I'm going to leave that there for a minute. I'm gonna wait. Now, if it goes up, that's absolutely fine. My main account's gonna go up. I don't need to buy any more. But if I get a dip, I will, and see where it goes. Oh, here we go. 2. Review. Come on. And then we'll go through the stocks. Anything under 2. I'm going to open up another tab here so I can keep an eye as I go through all our positions. There we go. Open up another screen up the top there. All right. I'm not going to set the buy order to buy it to, because I'm going to see if it trends lower, because it is weak there. It's bouncing. It's algo trading. So we're going to keep our eye up on it, another part of the screen. So we've got PLTR going up today. Very nice indeed. ARM. I'm waiting for this to go down and learn more about it. I'm making friends on the ground already after I put my first videos out on ARM. Gold is going up, still under 180. Mullen is up 17%. I'm now down 91%. We've had quite a rally this week. I'm holding my position. I'm certainly not buying it, but I'm very happy to see it moving up. Amazon going down today, but trying now to push up. Apple up and then straight back down again. NEE is going up. Good. Enphase Energy is down today. Coca-Cola is down. We're looking at Virgin Galactic now at 204, trying to break out, up 2.5%. 205. There it goes. That's good on my main account. I'm not going to buy it yet, though. Coca-Cola is up today. J&J is going up. Coca-Cola was a good buy yesterday. We're going to find out if I'm going to get the dividends. Right, as we come up to the halfway line, who is going to win? Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett? Martyn Lucas is winning. I'm in the red. Warren Buffett is in blue. I am beating the market again as we reach the halfway line. Now, Tesla is up today. Chevron is down, but coming back up again. Rivian is going up 1.79. McDonald's, what a great buy that was a few days ago. Very, very nice indeed. It was down 4.5% come up since then. Google is going down. Microsoft is going down. Walmart is going up. Tesco is going up. Tilray, as we come to the three-quarter mark, who's going to win? Martyn Lucas or Warren Buffett? Tilray is going up. Robinhood's coming up. IonQ, as we come to the final furlong now. We are nearly there. We are nearly at the line. IonQ is going down. Rocket Lab is going down. Waiting to sell some Rocket Lab today. Back to Virgin Galactic at 204. Who is winning? As we approach the line, I am still beating the market. I am up ahead of Warren Buffett. As we come up to the line, Procter & Gamble, Rumble, Funware, FFIE, Rio Tinto. FFIE has popped up another 5%. On the line, Bitcoin is down 0.9 at 26,000. Matic is down at 1.46. And XRP is down 1.94. Who wins the stock race today? The answer to that question is me. I beat the market again today. All right, the market is down and I up. Oh, it's just moving a little bit. There you go. Yes, there you go. I'm actually in the green. I'm in the green. Well, the market is actually in the red. There you go. Good. All right, fantastic. Now I've got my finger on the button to buy Virgin Galactic. It is going up now. Now what you don't want to do is chase it. I'm already in the stock. I'm only adding more to sell. 206. Let's wait for the drop. You haven't had the drop yet. This might be it. This might be the drop today. Oh, hang on. Here it comes. It's our first little profit take. Which way are we trending today? So we do want to buy more at $2. It's the value. Under $2, it's undervalue. So that's what you want. I'm holding my main position. As you can see, there is my main position. I was down 48%, now down 34%. I've been lowering my averages and it's been rising. Good, but I've been making money on the Roth IRA, tax-free, while all this has been going on with an average of $199. I'm out now. Dhiren Rana, if we break 206, we fly. There's no reason for that at all, because there is no good reason today at all. It's because of the Market Watch report that I covered live on the show. That's why the price is going up. A lot of good sentiment. However, a lot of people are taking profits because they want to buy at undervalue because they are waiting for dilution. So now it's not 206. It's about to fly. That I don't agree with that at all. It can go up, but what do you mean fly? 5-10%? No. We're looking at Virgin Galactic doing at least 100% when it starts to move, because that's where it should be right now with the success of the flights. So this is no movement at all, Dhiren Rana. So I'm holding my main position. I'm going to buy it under 2. I've got my finger on the button to buy it again. And we never buy it on the way up. We buy it on the way down with a positive sentiment behind it, with wind in its sails. Okay, let's go over to our screen here. Welcome everybody in. I want to welcome my guest this morning. If you just tuned in, please tap the like button. It helps us grow here on YouTube. Let me go and visit my friends on Rumble. Pop into my Rumblers. How are you? Malk UK. There's the Rumblers. Hi, Malk UK. Hi, how are you? Thank you ever so much indeed. All my Rumblers, tap the follow button and follow me on Rumble. That's very, very nice of you. Welcome to all of you. All right. Now then, we've got 20 minutes before our Friday phone-in. And then we've got our world premiere. 207 now, Virgin Galactic. Very, very nice indeed. Let's have a look. Let's go through the rest of our positions. I've got something just coming in to the... here we go. I've got someone here. Kieran River Jones. Hi, guys. I just joined. Welcome. Would someone go and welcome our guest in? We've got a new guest who's just arrived on Discord, Kieran River Jones. If you want to call into the show, you do need to be a YouTube member. The Friday phone-in is just in a few minutes from now. In fact, 20 minutes from now, it's the Friday phone-in. So if you want to be on the Friday phone-in, it's members only, YouTube members. So let me give you the link here. And you need 10 minutes to get through to Discord. So because of our security settings. So you need to do it now if you want to be on today's show. 208. Very, very good indeed. We like it. 208. Virgin Galactic. We're finally getting some movement now. I like it. I'm not going to buy it, though. Not going to buy it. I'm just going to own it here. 33% down now. I've increased my position from 48% down. Some of you are starting to buy. Obviously, that's why it's going up. I am not buying it yet on my Roth, my trading position. I'm staying where I am. Okay, now then, I've just had a message sent in to me via Discord. Let me see what it is. Who has messaged me? It's a friend request from Kieran River Jones. I've subscribed to you on YouTube, but I still can't send message on the live chat. Any ideas? Hi, Martin. I have subscribed on YouTube, but still can't send messages on the live chat. Kieran, what is your YouTube account? I don't see you in YouTube. You're asking me to accept a friend request. I only accept friend requests from my members. Right. I don't see you on... Kieran, I don't see you on YouTube. There is absolutely no reason if you can't chat in the chat. If you can't chat in the chat, it's because either you're underage, you're a bot, you've got a banned account, or I don't know. There's no reason at all. But I can't accept you as a friend because you telling me you can't chat in YouTube, because there's no reason why you can't. You should be able to. Thank you, Leah. Yeah, I can't let you in until you come into YouTube, and there's no reason why you can't. There's nothing not working there. I am getting a friend request from you, and I can't accept it. I only accept members, so we know who everybody is. It's too much. We got to have security right here. Right. Okay. Now then, the S&P, perfect. I trimmed it all off at the top. That's going down. That's exactly what we want. I want to buy back the S&P with my profit from Virgin Galactic soon. So the S&P, we want the S&P to go all the way back down again. I'm up 10.5%. I'd love to buy it 10% down. That's what I want. Virgin Galactic 205. I'm not going to buy it yet. I'm holding my position. Palantir 12%. I'm down 12% on my main position, and I'm 16%. I'm not buying that today. ARM is up, but I'm not buying that either. Gold, no. Mullen is going back down again. It's just a scam stock. It's just all it is a casino. I'm finalizing 2 big projects this morning, already out at work. I'll miss the phone in, but we'll listen to you as always. Oh dear, we might not have a phone in today then, because we've lost Mike and we've lost Sensei. They can't make it today, so we might not have a Friday phone in. Let's see what happens. Amazon going down, Apple going down, NEE going up nicely, Enphase Energy down, Coca-Cola. I'm so glad I bought more of that. It's why I did it. I went into defensives because I said the markets and J&J, look at all of it going up, because the markets are overbought now. Everything's frothy. Everything's trimming back. You need profit. You need cash to buy the dips. That's exactly what I'm doing. So back to Virgin Galactic 205, 204. Here it comes. Come to me again. Here we go. Come on. Some of you just said, no, it's going to keep on going crazy. And I said, no, you want to buy it on value or undervalue at the moment. There's no reason why it should go up. The only reason why it's going up is the Market Watch report I talked about. And it was a good report. And it's exactly what we know as investors, which is why I'm holding and buying more on the way down. But for me to buy my trading position, my scalping position, I have to have it under 2. I don't want to buy anything over value. It's like going into a shop, and if a pair of jeans normally cost $40, today it's on sale for 20, you buy it. If it's 40, you need it, you buy it. Would you buy it for 50? No, it's overpriced. That's not what I want to do. On my long-term position, fine, because it will grow. But on my scalping position, I just want to be able to take some profit and then use the profit to keep lowering the averages on the long-term position. Kieran River Jones is online, is an online antique shop. Okay, maybe a coincidence. Kieran River Jones is an antique shop. Fibonacci Blue, thank you for telling me. We're going to keep an eye on our guest, Kieran River Jones. It's lovely to have you in the chat. I cannot accept a friend request from someone who's not a member of the channel. And you're telling me that you can't chat in YouTube. There's no reason why not. And so I have to be very careful of the people I accept. Virgin Galactic going up. Rip Palantir. Okay, that's a drop. Okay, is it worth buying at that level? No, it isn't. Not yet. Nope. Okay, it's going back down again. Like I said, if you didn't watch the video earlier, I posted the video about ARM. The latest videos just come out. The IPO ARM, there it is. If you want to go and check it, I'm building relationships on the ground, not with the robot, with people from ARM. That's why that thumbnail has been chosen. There you go. And I said why I didn't buy it and why I'm holding. Also put it on my X account. So there you go. Looking at all the sentiment today, Tesla selling off. Okay. No, not worth buying yet. Not worth buying yet. I'm still beating the S&P. There's Warren Buffett. There's me. I'm beating him again today, right? The S&P going down. We trimmed it off the top. Virgin Galactic 207. Nope, not doing it yet. Not doing it yet. Anything on 2 is value. Anything under 2 is undervalued. Someone asked me yesterday, don't you regret if you sell it and then it keeps on going? No, because I have 2 positions. I'm in the main position, ready for it to go to $100 over here. Here it is. I've got 1,600 shares, all right, which is 8.9% of my portfolio, which is extremely bullish. I don't need any more to reach the $200,000 target that I want to receive on my account. Okay, and by the end of next year. The Roth position is where I can trade for free, tax-free, in and out as many times as I want. That's where I want to trade the account, and it's worth $2 right now. I've said it could go to 150, and it still can. So I'm not going to buy a pump. Now, I could buy it if I want to hold it, but I don't want to hold it in my Roth. I want to make money from it to then use that to compensate it going down on the other account. So even though it's going down, I've got money coming in. My portfolio is still growing. That's how you can make money on Virgin Galactic, even if it goes down, without shorting the stock, without doing options. Now then, if you want to know my trades before I make them, be part of my polls, here is, of all my stocks, there is my X account. Please go and follow me on my X account. We've got a few polls running right now. Let's have a little look. And there's ARM, our latest poll, trying to find out who's interested in ARM and what's going on there. You can vote in that one. SPCE, fantastic day. I scalped it twice yesterday. Only 34% of you didn't do that, which is quite surprising to me because that's how you make money. No trades today. 64% of you didn't. If you want to vote on that poll, by the way, I'll give you the direct link to it. There you go. I'd like your thoughts why you didn't make any money on Virgin Galactic yesterday. I've had quite a few private messages, DMs saying to me that how are you making money on Virgin Galactic when it's going down? Aren't you paying taxes? Aren't you paying, short-term taxes? What's the point? Some guy said to me on StockQuits, this is my StockQuits account, yesterday, said to me, I'll give you the link to it if you want to follow me on StockQuits, get lots of information from here. There's my StockQuits. Said, what is the point in making a few bucks at a time? Well, it's how I bought my house, remember? Lots of $1 tips, I bought my house. And he said, well, what's the point? Well, I bought my house and I have no debt. And I built a business and I've built a $5,000 to $56,000, whatever, $55,000 portfolio. So don't be off-put by people who say, what's the point of doing lots of micro trades? It's ridiculous. It makes no sense. Anyway, we are getting positive sentiment now. 208. This is very nice indeed. So far, here we go. 209. It's running a bit. Still not going to buy it. Still just holding my main position here, which is now down just 33%. Very nice indeed. Okay, I don't need to buy any more. I've already lowered it enough. Don't get carried away and then get clobbered when it drops. We've still got dilution by 1 million shares to come, remember. So be careful. Finally broke space resistance at 206. It did. Congratulations for you for calling that, but I still wouldn't chase it. Yes, Mark, it's a good risk management. That's all it is. It's risk management. At the end of the day, if I have my long-term position in the stocks that I fundamentally understand and I've got relationships on the ground and I talk to people, I know what I'm doing, and then along the journey I'm making profits, then I can't lose ultimately, right? If you put all your money in your eggs and all your money in your basket, chase a stock upwards, you just lose. 95% of day traders lose. I don't lose. I'm consistently making profits and consistently going up. I don't take that many risks. I manage my risk and balance it out, and don't get greedy. Don't try and time the market. Now, what our guest here, Diran, was talking about the resistance level, is he's really focusing on trying to time the market. If you time the market, unless you're a wizard or very lucky, 95% of scalpers, day traders, get it wrong. That's just the statistics. And unless you think you're better than everybody else and whatever. I don't think I'm special at all. I don't think I know more than anyone else. So I don't try to time the market. But what I do try to do is make consistent profits. And I am not shy of making a couple of bucks on a trade. Don't care. Because keep doing it over and over again. That's the way I do it. So I'm not afraid to be patient and wait for the right moment and be happy just to buy it, just to make a few bucks each time. Anyway, I don't want to time the market. I don't need to time the market. You can't time it anyway. It's only guessing at the end of the day. Right, 206. I'm going to keep my eye on that as we run through all our positions right now. We've got 10 minutes to go before the Friday phone-in. So I'm now going to open up the broadcast lounge for those on Discord who want to start calling in. Here we go. Fibonacci Blue, Kieran River Jones, Facebook. Thank you ever so much indeed. That looks like our guest on YouTube. That looks like our guest on Kieran River Jones. Yeah, that looks like our guest who joined us on Discord. But he says he can't talk in the chat, and there's nothing I can do to help about that, I'm afraid. I wish I could, but there isn't. Anyone can talk in the chat on YouTube, unless your account is banned or blocked or anything like that. It could be someone who was blocked or banned in the past who just changed their name, and of course they won't be able to enter. That's the purpose. Anyway, we don't know, do we? Let's go back to Palantir. Virgin Galactic now is falling back down, 205. Here we go. Market's down, Virgin up is great. It is great. It is very, very good. Let's have a look. S&P, you could easily make a new account. Absolutely. Make a new account. I've had it before, and I just have to be honest, as always. I've had it before where people come on the show, the spammers, scammers, bots, whatever, trolls, and they get banned. We ban them from the channel, and then they change their username, and then they come back in, and of course they're still banned because the account is banned. It may be that. It may not be. This might be a person who's having a technical difficulty, but there's no reason why you can't chat on YouTube. Anyway, Raphael, sorry, negative 1.76. Okay, Virgin Galactic is now selling. That's great, Raphael, because of Tesla. Right. I might ditch my attempt on Virgin Galactic, and buy Tesla instead today in my Roth. No, it's not down enough for me to be bothered with it. Rivian, McDonald's, no, not yet. Virgin now is at 206, 205. Microsoft, Walmart, no. Microsoft is too expensive. It's too expensive. Google is the better buy. I sold it at 50% up, though. I'm not going to buy it until it goes down 20%. Martin, what's my end phase? My end phase position is here. Down 26%. I've got a very large position in it. I might give up on Virgin Galactic to scalp it and go to end phase instead. Yes. There's a better chance. There's a better chance of making money on end phase right now. Now 120, 119. This is a good buy. We're undervalued right now on end phase. Yeah. We've got the buybacks coming up. I can very easily, in fact, that's what we're going to do, because Virgin Galactic, I don't feel, yes, I'm going to give up on Virgin Galactic now for today. I'm going to move over to end phase on my Roth position. Virgin Galactic, I don't like what it's doing in a minute. It can go up on my main account. It doesn't need me to be trading it. End phase, however, is presenting me with a perfect opportunity. This is a stock I want to own and trade from. Now, today it's getting an overreaction for some reason. Down 11%. Right, okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm in my Roth IRA, and I'm going to wipe out my end phase loss and be able to take some profit from it. FFIE, I've got my Chevron stocks coming in soon as well. About $1,000 there. End phase, here we go. End phase. So I'm going to buy end phase. Buy. Limit order. Limit order and 121. 121. Continue. That's the best balance sheet on the stock market, if anyone doesn't know that. 3 p.m. 120. 120, and I'm going to buy one. I'm going to buy two. I'm going to buy two. 121. Okay, submit. Still falling. How much? What's the time? We've got another 10 minutes before markets start to reverse. 120 for 160. Okay, I'm going to buy that. I'm buying end phase. Watch my 25% loss go down to 10%. Now I've wiped out a 15% loss from end phase, and there goes Virgin Galactic down, just like I said. Just like I said. Sorry for those of you who thought there was a huge rally coming. There it is. Now it's time to buy Virgin Galactic today. In fact, it's not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Now, some of you gone quiet telling me at 207 it was going to explode. Well, it's not the case. Not the case at all. But the better opportunity for me... Oh, here we go. Okay, that's the way you want to go. I need to react to that because we've got... Okay, the better deal today is end phase. The better buy is end phase right now. I've gone from 25% down to 10% to set to 10% down. That's a much better position now. We don't want to touch Coca-Cola. Virgin Galactic is 2. We want it under 2. See, we had earlier somebody just guessing, using a chart to guess. We don't guess here. We don't guess. I have relationships on the ground. I make friends with people who work at the companies. We have Sensei does our chart analysis. I look at the balance sheet. We study the stock. We don't guess, right? We don't guess. Everything is a best guess. I understand that, but we're not just picking numbers out of the sky and going, it's going to break 206 and now it's going to fly. It's going to go to the moon and all this. None of that stuff is important. That's all just silly. And we don't want to be silly, right? Pointless. So now I need to think, I've just bought end phase. That's the best buy today. S&P. Virgin Galactic. Wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 180 now. Palantir. I feel like I'm in money in BTC, not providing any value. Niels. That's what I thought as well. I'm looking to buy his and hers as well. Still waiting. Do you have a secret money? Do you have a secret money set? Microsoft is great. It's great, but overvalued. Yes, Microsoft is overvalued. Best by Google. What do you mean your liquidity? I sold my, I thought an end phase on 120. Just curious what you're doing. Niels, yeah, I just bought it. Sorry, I missed your comment there. 120. Okay. Need to think a minute now. Need to think a minute. So we made money yesterday twice. We did 2 scalp trades on Virgin Galactic yesterday. It was the right thing to do yesterday. It's not today. It's not today. The stock is being raped today. Scalp trading is one thing. When a stock is going up and it's trending up and taking profits, today it's being raped. What I mean by that is it has no reason to go up and then just being dumped. Some of you might call it a pump and dump. I use the word raped for a particular reason because it's very aggressive the way this is being done. And I don't want to be in that market. I don't want to be around when it's doing this. My long-term position, keep adding and taking it up is fine. But this is not a scalp environment. That's why I left it. I also have a few screens, remember. I've got people contacting me, sending me messages in. I'm looking at things. I'm seeing the sentiment on the polls. I'm looking at things on Virgin Galactic. I'm talking to a few people on some few DMs, and I'm getting the sentiment of where it's going. And I could see it at 180 today. So I don't want to be trying to scalp this when I've got my long-term position. I don't need to buy any more to get to my goal. Yesterday, it was a scalping day. It was an opportunity. Today, it's not. Today, it's not. And getting people just telling you it's all going to go up and go to the moon. So in fact, I don't know if anyone's ever noticed that. When we start getting people going, it's going to the moon. I've always said I hate that phrase. I think it was made up by BitBoy or something like that. You never hear anyone in the financial market saying anything's going to the moon. I actually hate that comment. It's silly. And as soon as people start saying it's about to go to the moon and explode and this and that and the other and all the rest of it, I just feel there's the sentiment, because where's everyone getting information from? People are reading stuff. They're on YouTube. They're on Reddit. A lot of people are on Reddit when they say it's going to the moon, and they're learning. And people they're not learning anything, but they're picking up all this information, and everyone gets excited. And when I see a stock get excited without rationale, just pointless, all of a sudden the band of thieves that promoted it on Reddit dump it. And I don't want to be involved in that. I don't want to be involved in GameStop and AMC and Mullen and all this rubbish, Lucid, all this rubbish. And there you go. 199. So the moment a stock starts behaving like that, you can smell it. You can smell the nonsense and all the rubbish that's going on. Anyway, so was I right? I said no to Virgin Galactic and I said yes to Enphase. Was I right? Enphase today is the better value. This has the best balance sheet of any company on the stock market. If you've read it, this company is oversold. Virgin Galactic, I don't care what the RSI tells me, the Enphase is oversold. Virgin Galactic is being aggressively attacked today. And this is the better buy. So this is what I did. So it won't take me much to be able to get, in fact, I might buy some more, double the, in fact, I'd like to do that. I'd like to sell, I'd like to sell something to wipe out my loss, because at this level, this is where Enphase can go from. At 120, it can go from this. So let's have a look here a minute. You can only guess on the growth and future impact of the company in the world. Long term is great, Raphael. Waiting's the game. Yeah, me too. My friend got me in Virgin Galactic. He bought me $10,000 worth of stock. He's got 1,400. I've got 32, an average 180, less than that he paid. Feel sorry for the guy. Where is your liquidity? Oh, hang on a minute. It's going down. Okay, great. So let me have a look. Amazon, I got 34% profit in Amazon. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. 202, 202. Okay. Let's have a look at $2 to buy Elf. Elf. All right, I'll have a look. Give me a minute. Procter, 4%. I'll do it in a sec.
$2 to buy Elf. Ha 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 ha.
What can go down 50%, Sensei? Amazon. Okay. Decision made. Decision made. Sell Procter & Gamble. Selling Procter & Gamble. Limit order. 155, 155.20. 155.20. Whoops. 155.15. Continue. 4. Okay, Procter. Okay, just sold Procter & Gamble. I sold 4 shares. Let me go back to Enphase. 120. Okay, back to Virgin Galactic. 2. I'm going to split it. I'm going to split that $700 over 120.85. Right, let me split that Virgin Galactic, that money, over Enphase and Virgin Galactic. So, let's focus on the best value again. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic now. It's down at 2 again. I guess it's it is at some sort of support, Sensei. I just got some good feelings. I got my mate Ed, who's got millions of shares of Amazon, who's very much on the button, and he said, "Don't ever sell your Amazon." And I'm literally looking at Amazon as a very long-term play at the minute. Virgin Galactic 201. Right, I've now got $700 I'm going to spend on Enphase and Virgin Galactic again. Virgin Galactic, I don't want to pay any more than $2. I want to buy it for the value. Raphael, I haven't forgotten you. $2 for Elf. So Elf, I was just donated $2 to buy Elf. No idea what Elf is. Elf Beauty. Oh my gosh. Why? Why are we buying Health and Beauty? What's going on here? Oh my God. All right. Okay. I'll buy it. Bloody hell. All right. Here we go. So this was just donated to me to make a video on it. People often do that. They want me to make a video on something. So Elf. There we go. There's Elf. And buy. Limit order. Limit order. In fact, I don't need to do that, do I? I just buy in dollars. There you go. I was given $2 or €2 or whatever. We're not gonna mess around. And we're gonna buy $2 worth of Elf. All right, just for the crack of it. Elf. There you go. I now own $2 of Elf. There you go. Thank you very much, Raphael. No idea why you got me to buy that. Anyway, that was a bit of fun. Amazon, get rid. We don't know what the support is. That's why I buy the way down. I guess it has some sort of support. Amazon, get rid, Sensei saying. Virgin Galactic's at 2. Okay, here we go. SPCE. We're going to buy this, and we're going to buy N phase. Just not doing it now. I just missed the opportunity to buy more. I mean, I lowered it from, what was it, 25 down to 9 now. So I'm not going to chase that now. I had the opportunity and I did it. I bought 3. I'm looking to buy another couple to literally wipe out that loss. I'm just waiting for one final little tap down. That between Virgin Galactic. I'm just holding the cash there a minute. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio is down. Starting to trend up again now. Virgin Galactic is at 201. 202. Palantir. Not there, not quite Palantir yet. IonQ down 5%. Virgin Galactic ARM going back down again. So the decline has begun as we predicted. I will be buying some ARM, but I want to buy it for $20. Virgin Galactic is at 202. So we're not touching it yet. Funny you said that. Elon tweeted moon soon. Good for him. Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla, Rivian, McDonald's, 2.3. 202 for Virgin Galactic now, so we're not touching it yet. Oh, hang on a minute. I forgot the Friday phone in. What the hell? Kieran, that's me. Kieran Jones, that's me. Kieran, I can't believe it. No one's in the broadcast lounge. I don't think we've got anybody on the Friday phone in. I can't believe the time. It's the Friday phone in. We've got nobody in the chat. In the broadcast lounge, Mike and Zach Zake couldn't do it today. Oh, here we go. Virgin Galactic, buy, trade, buy. Limit order, 2, limit price, market hours. Number of shares, 200. $300. Here we go. Just bought 300 shares of Virgin Galactic at $2. Yes, fantastic. Do it again. Rocking and rolling. Right, now I'll buy another 100 at 190 if we can, and split the difference. Okay, so no one's called in today, so there is no Friday phone in today. So I'm going to shut that down. Brilliant. So now I'm back in at $2 on Virgin Galactic. Brilliant. Oh, lovely. Okay, we've bought the value of the stock again. I wish this person would come on into the chat. We've got someone trying to talk to me who's saying that's me and all the rest of it, and for some reason we can't get to them. They're in the welcome all screen. This is Kieran Jones. I'll put you on the screen. Good to hear the discussion. I'm not a bot or underage. Let's have a look. I have a large number of Virgin Galactic shares and a genuine investor in the company. I just created a new account as suggested, but at the bottom of the chat box, it says subscriber only chat. Oh, yes. Well, just subscribe to the channel. But I have subscribed. Who knows? Will you just have to be... Okay. Kieran Jones, I will help you then. If you are saying there's an issue with that, let me change this. All right, I will help you. Kieran Jones, let me just do this for you. Customization, anyone. Okay, all right, anyone. There you go. It's now not subscriber only mode. There's no reason, but we'll just make sure. Okay. Now I understand what you were saying. Just bought 600 shares for Virgin Galactic in addition to my 1,600. So we are now up to 2,400. So we're over halfway to my allocation. Great. I enjoy these day trades you're doing the last few days on the side of the long term, but it's exciting, isn't it? Starlink and SpaceX. I want to buy something to wipe out my loss. Famous last words. Funny you said that. 199. Okay. Okay. So, the chat is now open to anyone who's not even a subscriber. So you should be able to talk to me now. Now, we've got to go. Try to refresh. Yes. Reply. Just turned off sub only. You should be able to chat now. Okay, that's taken care of that for the minute. Now then. Where are we? We've got an event happening now. There's no Friday phone in. We didn't have anybody today, so we can't do that. Redirect. Okay. Got a special event now about to happen. So we're going to take a 5-minute break. Yeah, this is good. My Tesla, my Virgin Galactic is good. Just bought that. My portfolio is trying to come back up. My end phase energy, really good move from 25% down now to 9% down. Good. And I will sell that end phase energy position when it makes a 5% profit and keep my long-term position and then add to my cash. There goes Virgin Galactic now, 199. It's about to go to 180, I think. Right. So we've got a special event happening now. End phase, Virgin Galactic 2. I want to sell at a 5% profit. Each 5% each time I do it is good for me. That's what you can earn all year on the uninvested cash, and half of what you can earn in a year on the S&P. So 5% profits on scalp trades is more than I deserve. Very happy with that. Okay, Virgin Galactic, end phase. The S&P, still going. I've sold my position there. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, we're about to take a break for a very special event. Sorry, there's no... there is no Friday phone-in today. Our guests didn't come in. We had a couple of people away, our regular guests, so we couldn't do it today. But anyway. But we've got a special event about to happen in just a few minutes. I'm just preparing a couple of things. That one there. And... okay. Okay, here we go. Virgin Galactic is getting its bite of the cherry now. I'm up $2.41. I've just bought 300 shares. I will sell and make a 5% profit. So, folks, this is what we're going to go and do now. We're going to take a 10-minute break. I've been going for 2 hours. A few days ago, I was contacted by a well-known celebrity that's asked to remain anonymous, doesn't want me to tell you who they are and just use it to create views, asked me to record some Eric Clapton. Later on today, I'm actually going to be recording something for John Legend. It's he's renewing his vows today. But I was asked to record this for an Eric Clapton song, Wonderful Tonight. And it premieres in 7 minutes on my music channel. So I'm going to take a 10-minute break from this channel. We're going to go on a break for 10 minutes. But I'll be right back. Okay? So we're going to go here now. I'm going to give everyone the link to this. And here's the premiere. I'm going to take a break. And then straight after Wonderful Tonight, it will go straight into Tears in Heaven. They're back-to-back. Wonderful Tonight, Tears in Heaven. So each one's about 2.5 minutes long. That's it. And so I'm going to take a break, put it on the screen. I'm on a break watching a world premiere. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to stay live on this channel. And then we're going to come back and then wrap up today's show, as I should be able to scalp trade my Virgin Galactic position and make a 5% profit. That's what I'm hoping. Oh, here we go. Might do it now, actually. Trade, sell. Okay, here we go. I'm not going to set a stop trail order. Limit order. 20. 202, and then I'll do it manually above that, 202. Okay. Continue. 3 p.m. 202, 300 shares. I'll sell 300. I've made 1.64% so far. So then after that, after Tears in Heaven, we're going to come back and I'll be here. So I'm going to take a 10-minute break. It'll put I'm on a break watching a world premiere and so on. So I'm going to give everyone the link right now. Here is Wonderful Tonight. It will go straight after Wonderful Tonight into Tears in Heaven. Eric Clapton's on screen with me, and then after Tears in Heaven, I'll be waiting here for you. There's Kieran River Jones. How are you? There you go. Lovely to have you with us. Welcome to the family. If you'd like to be a member and get all the perks and benefits of the show and everything else, I go to work for you. There's many things I do, but you've joined us just as we're about to go to a break and watch the world premiere. There's the membership link. You might need a browser, but I'm going to sell Virgin Galactic in a few seconds if I can for a small profit, hopefully 5%. And anyway, turns out I had to create a channel first. Anyway, I'm here. Oh, yeah, it's a thing on YouTube where you say they say you have to create a channel. You don't actually create a channel, though. You don't have to be a content creator. You don't have to put videos out. You just have to say, yes, I'll have a channel. But, yeah, that's all that is. Anyway. Where was the high? We've only got a minute or so to go. And we refresh that. That's not looking accurate. Okay, try that again. 208. So anywhere around the 205 is fine by me because I'm not trying to time the market. Everybody else is doing that, and they're all getting caught. 95% of traders get dropped, but because they're trying to do that. I'm holding my long-term position, taking up to $4,000 with the profits I'm making from the Roth scalp trading for free, tax-free. That's exactly what we're doing. Right, so it's now time. We're going to go over now to my world premiere. I will see you back in about 10-15 minutes. Wonderful Tonight. It was requested by a well-known celebrity. I can't tell you who it was. There is the video with Eric Clapton online. On screen, he's touring Canada again, and I was asked to make this. Later on, I've been asked to make one for John Legend as well. So we're going to go live there now. If you want to join me, the premiere is about to begin. The link is in the chat, and I'll give it to you. It'll go straight after that premiere. It'll go to Tears in Heaven, and then after Tears in Heaven, join me back here. So I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to probably by the time we get back, have sold my Virgin Galactic scalp position for the third time in 24 hours. And that's how we're making money. All right. It starts in 2 minutes. So I shall see you back in just a few minutes' time. Okay. I'm going to stay live with Virgin Galactic, but take a break right now. So let me just do this now. Preview mode. Let's go over to this. Let's have a little look. World. Okay. Okay, it's now time for the premiere. I'll see you back in 15 minutes. We're going to keep a close eye on Virgin Galactic, and I'll see you back in just literally 15 minutes. Enjoy Virgin Galactic and enjoy... oops. What's going on there? Enjoy Wonderful Tonight and Tears in Heaven as commissioned by someone very special who's asked me to do it. All right, see you back in just a few minutes' time. The world premiere is about to begin. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, thank you very much indeed. I hope you all enjoyed my world premieres of the Eric Clapton, who's now touring again. Thank you for taking the time out. We just took a short break there to feature those videos. Thank you ever so much indeed. I hope you all enjoyed it. Well, I just sold my Virgin Galactic again for the third time in 24 hours. I've got my long-term position, which I'm adding to all the time with the profits I'm making from the scalp trades. I've got 1,600 shares now. I just made another 5% from 600 shares. Was it 600 or 300? Can't remember now. I think it was 300 shares. Anyway, we keep increasing it because we make the profit. We want to buy it under value, which we'll do it. We're buying it at value. I bought it under value a few moments ago. I bought some at 199 and just sold it again. So very, very good indeed. Thanks to all of you for watching my premiere. Much, much appreciated, all of those of you that did that. All right. So thank you ever so much. We're back again now with the live show, and we're now looking at see if we can make the profit from end phase energy, and let's go. Okay, so look at my overall portfolio now. Let's go and have a look at it and see exactly how we are. The overall markets are down today, but that's perfectly fine because we've trimmed off. And we're pretty much protected from the drop today in the S&P. So we're only down a tiny little bit. My Virgin Galactic just sold it again. My Roth IRA is I've got $734 in cash. And you can see how I'm beating the market on my Roth. You can see I'm in red and the market's in blue. I'm beating it because I'm trading it. So you can see the difference between this is my main account where I'm not trading. I'm behind the market. And this is the account where I am trading and I'm above the market. Plus, I've got cash on hand again. So we will look for another opportunity. My overall balance is 53,279. If I hadn't made those profits, would be significantly lower. But we've managed to make profits and lower our averages and protect ourselves and all the rest of it. So it's good. Okay, let's go back to here and see what we're doing. So where can we make profit now? Now then, we want to buy back into the S&P, but we don't want to buy it yet. It's over frothy. We've made money on it. We're at 10.5%. We're holding our one single share now. Virgin Galactic just sold it at 205. I'm out of it now again on the Roth position, not my long-term position, of course. PLTR, it's not cheap enough yet. Let's have a look at its movement. It fell off very quickly today. PLTR. Okay. I don't know if I want to do right. Okay. I think I'll now end phase. I've wiped out that PLTR. Okay, let's do it on PLTR. Now we're going to go and buy PLTR with the profit we just made. Trade. Buy. 15. Limit order. A limit order. 15. 35. So anything under 15.35, it'll buy it. Continue. Market hours. And if we buy today, let's have a look. If we buy 50. 45. 45. That will lower me. 45. Okay. Here we go. Palantir, we're buying. If you look at my average, it's down 13%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Down nearly 14%. Now down 7.87. There we go. So we've just halved our loss on Palantir. Now then, I am overweighted on my Roth IRA because I do have it in my main brokerage. So what I want to do is I've only got to have a swing of 10% from here, which I can do probably within a week. And then I can then sell that position and make a profit on that position. All right. So there we go. We are back invested again. I just bought PLT at 15.45 last month for the long term. Obviously, PLTR is really great for scalp trading. Yes, I've just bought it and I'm now down just 8%. I was down a lot more than that. So we've got our long-term position. Now we're done for trading for today. That's enough. Take a break. We've made some money. We're very happy. We can finish it like that. I'm invested there. My main brokerage position, I've got 71.18. What I'll do is I'll go to my main brokerage position and I will buy PLTR as well. Here, buy limit order, and we are looking at 15.25 because I want it to go through. And market hours 3 p.m. today, and just a couple of shares really. Right, just buying 4. Very small position, but I want to lower that. So if we look at 17.92, you'll see it change. 17.92, 17.16. There you go. You can see it's just dropped. Okay. And it was dropping as it was going down, so I bought it on that dip as well, which is good. So I've increased my long-term position, but I want my short-term position to be only 8% down, to be sold within a week if I can. Right. I think we'll wrap that up. Just wait for everyone to come back in again. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the premieres of my Eric Clapton. If you didn't get a chance to see it, there are 2. There is the Wonderful Tonight and Tears in Heaven. Hope you liked it. There's the link. It's posted in the chat, pinned to the top. Hope you all enjoyed that. Okay. S&P. Virgin Galactic straight back down again. So we need PLTR to sell and end phase to sell. Then I can buy back more Virgin Galactic for scalping. But we're done for today. There's no need to do anymore. We've achieved what we wanted to achieve. We've lowered averages. We've made profits. We've not paid any taxes. Perfect day. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, straight back down again. Robinhood. Okay. All right. It's time for day trader of the day. Let's what's that one down there? I just noticed something dropped off. Oh, Amazon. Yeah, okay. Not going to be concerned about that. Enphase, Procter and Gamble, Elf, Virgin, Palantir. Right. Mullen up 20%. Yep. But I'm down 91% on it. So not really of any interest right now. I want to get myself out of it. Same with FFIE. I want nothing to do with it. These two scam stocks, they follow each other. I'm down 77%. We'll just leave those alone for now. Thanks for letting me know, though, Noy. How are you today? Are you well? Okay, time for day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let me have a quick hello to my rumblers. How are you? Let's go into... okay. Kieran River Jones, are you with me? I don't think he's here. Whoops, K-I... Oh, yes, he is. Are you here? Are you here? There. Okay, time for day trader of the day. See you up the most today. Kieran, I can't accept your friend request. I only accept friend requests from members. And the reason for that, it's about security of our channel and all the rest of it. I only accept friend requests from my members. Okay. We're out of Virgin Galactic in my scalping position. We made profit on it 3 times now. We're done for that for the minute. We're going to take a break from trading. We've bought Palantir down here. Happy with that buy. Happy with the value of it now. It's oversold in my book. It won't take much to drive that up, and I can make money from that position quite easily. So there we go. Exactly what we said. Has gone back down, no surprise. Overbought on its IPO day. Right. I don't see any opportunities right now. And there isn't any. Anyway, I'm fully invested again now. We're going to let everything stew and brew for the rest of the morning until we come back this afternoon. All right, that's it from me. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date. If you're not sure how to be up to date, here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. This is how you go up to date. You're watching the main channel here, mobile or computer, it's the same. If the live button is grey, you're behind the stream. Click the live, you're now 30 seconds behind. Now you can come up even closer to 10 seconds behind. Click the cogs. Playback speed 2 times. Let's put a minute on the clock. This is how you go up to date. See, 2 times, and now you're just a few seconds behind, and now we can do day trader of the day together. All right, okay. Tap the like button. Thank you ever so much indeed, and always consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. But now it's time to do day trader of the day. I'm down 0.89 overall. 0.91 now. There we go. There you go. And when the first person posts, we'll put a minute on the clock. Are you ready? When the first person posts, I shall put a minute on the clock. Niels, Mullen make announcements of acquisitions all the time. They're always saying they're doing stuff. It never happens. And then all of a sudden, the people that announced it, who bought the stock, dump it, and then we all find out it was a load of rubbish. They've done it so many times that people are so greedy that they'll just buy any old crap because they think it's this time could be different. No, it ain't. It's a load of rubbish. I can't pay any attention to it. Right. Okay. Up 1.33. Up 1.7. Niels goes into the lead. Congratulations, mate. Very good. Who's going to win today? Niels is in the lead. And it looks like Niels is the winner. We've run out of time, so thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Let's get out of here. Thank you so much indeed. Let's roll the credits. Thank you for all being here. Congratulations to Niels at 1.7. Very good on a day like today. All right. I'm not into Mullen. No. I can't wait to get my money out. I probably never will, to be honest, but it doesn't matter. I regard it now as a lottery ticket. You're in, a win or a lose, it doesn't matter. I just don't even consider it anymore. All right. Okay. Should never have bought it in the first place. Let's get out of here. And here we go. Roll the credits. Stars of our show. We had some new subscribers, Darren Rana and Alonzo29. Didn't show our other guest because obviously he selected private subscription. That's the reason for that. Super chat. Raphael gave me a couple of euros, which said to me buy a stock, and I did with the money. So there you go. All right. All right. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I'll be back for the closing bell this afternoon. Sell-off Friday. If you didn't get a chance to check out the Eric Clapton premiere, here it is. Thanks for those that watched it live with me. There's that one, and then it goes straight into From Wonderful Tonight into Tears in Heaven. MSK, you're behind the stream, up 0.84. We've already called it, so we're already done. That's it. Thank you ever so much indeed. I will see you all back later for the closing bell this afternoon. No Friday phone-in today. We didn't have anybody available to call in, which is a bit of a shame, but that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. All right, that's it. Thank you ever so much indeed for being part of it. Virgin Galactic's going back down again. I've scalped it again today for the third time. Made 5% each time. So there we go. Holding my main position always. All right. That's it. I've answered everyone's questions. Thank you very much. I will see you all back for this afternoon for the closing bell. Have a wonderful afternoon. And wherever you are around the world, as always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves. Most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.